Buenos dias. Okay, we're going to talk about when is a birthday party. Puedo preguntar y decir cuándo es una fiesta. So we're talking about the date, but also the time. The día y la hora. So our three main questions that we're going to have is ¿cuándo es la fiesta? ¿A qué hora es la fiesta? And ¿cuál día es la fiesta? ¿Qué significa estas preguntas? What do these questions mean? When is the party? Quite literally, cuando is when is the party. Perfect. Next one. ¿A qué hora es la fiesta? At what time? We would say time. Hora literally means hour. Is the party. Okay. Last one. ¿Cuál día means which day is the party. Okay. So these are pretty straightforward. If you are asking someone, you could probably use a few different questions. If it's a general cuando, people could answer with the day or the time or both. If you specifically want the time, you would use this one. If you specifically want the day, you can use this one. You'll have to be familiar with all three because you don't know what your partner is going to ask you. So let's see. How would we answer? ¿Cuándo es la fiesta? We would answer es the day, like lunes, let's say it's the 3rd, el 3 de, let's say it's January, enero, okay? So, es el day, okay? Then, how would we answer the hour? What time? Es a las, we'll put the hour in there. So let's say it's 5 o'clock, we'd say es a las 5. Now let's say if it was just 5, we could go straight to de la noche, let's say, at the night. Okay, 5 o'clock at night. But if it's 5:30, we would need to add the y and the minutes. Es a las 5:30, and then we'd say de la, and then the part of the day. It'll be mañana for morning, tarde for afternoon, and noche for night. Okay. And then, ¿cuál día es la fiesta? We'd say es the day. It's just like this first one, right? Which day is it? Es viernes. And then you could go on to say the exact day. El 13 de octubre. Whatever. Okay, we're going to look at one example. If this is Amy's first birthday party, how would we respond to these questions? Okay, so if it's a general cuando, remember we can say both the time and the date. Es sábado el 1 de mayo a las 11 de la mañana. If we're asking specifically about the time, we could just say es a las 11 de la mañana. If we are asking specifically about the day, we can say es sábado el 1 de mayo. Okay, so you can pause and replay this as much as you want and go ahead and make sure your notes are filled in perfectly so that if you get confused later, you can go back and refer to them.